Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Quest for Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss economics. Okay, so how by doing a very smart work, easy manner of smart work, you can clear your economics exam. Okay, so first of all, if you want to clear your exams, if you want to pass, and that too if you want to pass in a very good marks, then you have to follow the paper pattern, because paper pattern is always going to remain the same. And if you want to score well, please prepare model paper of 2022, preparatory paper of 2022 and annual exam paper of 2022 in economics. If you prepare this three paper, that is fair enough and sufficient for you to score more than first class. Okay, and so let's get started with the paper pattern. What you will get, first you will get 5 marks. Okay, 5 marks MCQ, 5 marks fill in the blanks, 5 marks match up, and 5 marks one word. So that I will suggest you should always go and study everything, all the MCQs, all the fill ups, all the match up, and all the one word without uh, any omission. Okay, so that easily you can get 20 marks. Okay, after that you have to prepare 2 marks which you are going to write any 9 2 marks you are going to write for 2 marks, which is overall you can get 18 marks. Okay, so here most of the question is being asked from chapter 2. Okay, so chapter 2, chapter 3 is all important. Chapter 2, chapter 3 and macroeconomic chapter 2 and chapter 3 is all important. Okay, so if you prepare, 2 questions from chapter 2 are surely going to come, so that is why please prepare. And second chapter from the macroeconomics also, 2 questions going to come from the chapter 2 of macroeconomics. So four questions you can easily attempt by just preparing second chapter from microeconomics and second chapter from macroeconomics, and by here itself you easily can attempt 4 question answers. After this you have to write 4 marks, which is 7. For 4 marks you need to write 7 question answers you need to write for 4 marks. By that you can easily get 28 marks. And part D, which is 4, any 4 you need to write for 6 marks. In that there are certain questions which are surely going to come, like macroeconomic identities, okay, optimal choice of a consumer, what are the short run equilibrium of a monopolist firm when the cost of production is positive, and by using TRTC curve, or market equilibrium with the fixed number of firm. Or else there are certain questions like what are the functions of money, which will be surely asked. And after that we have practical oriented question, which you need to write any 2. There are certain questions which are surely going to come. If you prepare that much, is fair enough for you to score very good marks. So what I will suggest you, please prepare all the 1 marks MCQ, fill up, match up and one word, and then please prepare all the 2 marks, and then directly jump for the practical oriented question, which is for 10 marks. So here 20 you are going to get from all the 1 marks, and from practical oriented questions you are going to get 10 marks, so 30 easily you are going to score. And by preparing 2 marks you are going to score 18, so 48 marks easily you are going to score from preparing 1 mark and 2 mark and practical oriented questions. If you prepare very choicest of questions, like in 6 marks, optimal choice of a consumer, law of diminishing marginal utility, law of macroeconomic identities, there are surely gonna ask questions. If you prepare these questions, what are the features of indifference curve, if you prepare these questions, surely you're gonna answer any 2 or any 3. By this easily you can score more than first class marks you can get. Okay, so these are the tips and tricks, and or else you can directly prepare 3 paper which I said before, and from there also you can score very well. I will put off all the important question and answers in the description below, So go through one by one and please prepare and comment your suggestions below. And if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe, and share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon so that you can get all my latest updates and notification. Thank you so much for watching.